Hey guys, creating a quick simple video for you tonight to show you how to use our April Club Couture transfer. Now remember, each and every month Chalk Couture comes out with a brand new transfer that is a part of our Club Couture. So how cool is that? So every month you can create a new design. Now for this one here, I'm actually going to be doing two projects for you. Now remember, at Chalk Couture we offer a line of screen print reusable transfers, and what that means is when you're done, you clean your transfers up with water and Clorox wipes. You'll store them again for future use, where you can usually get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. Now for this design, I'm going to be using our Chalkology chalk paste. Now all of our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent, so again, that means you can change out your designs each and every month. And be sure to check out my other YouTube channel videos so you can see what I'm talking about on how to change out your designs. Now once I'm done with this one, I'm going to do a second project for you on a flour sack towel that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm going to be using our brand new Couture inks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of our brand new Couture ink mats, and what I love about these is one side is sticky, so it gives you a nice flat surface to work on. I'm going to apply my transfer, apply my Couture inks, and once I'm done, I will peel that off, and I'm going to heat set this with an iron for 4 minutes on each side, and that is going to make my design completely permanent. Now, what a great idea this would be for Mother's Day, where you can create super cute projects, or even for a new home or new homeowner. This is so cute. So if you'd love to learn more, please reach out to me at chalkandwithjen.com and check out all my fun crafty videos I'm designing for you.